Ooh, what's this? This is endless.
Yes, we can see your screen.
On my screen, it's like a hold on. Like a sharing kind of a unlimited doing things. So this.
You can also share a particular page if you want. It's on the.
Let me see how to do this. Share. Okay. Okay. So I can share my entire screen, that's right. But when I share my entire screen, it's something issue.
Yeah, you are able to do both if you want. Share your whole screen or just a particular page.
Yeah, it's like my screen for the whiteboard, kind of continue doing something weird things.
No, you can just search on other things and then you can. The infinite screen goes away. Yeah, and then
Okay.
you will
Okay.
be able to share.
Okay. I think we started fourth, right? Because I
Yeah, yeah,
can
yeah.
remember. Okay, so I'm gonna do is talk about how we're gonna do today. Today gonna be walking through the training of how to set up your miner and set up your website that other people can see how much token is mined. Okay, so for example, you have a pool and you have like a 10 miner and all the miner comes from different location or different owners and you are able to give the um, how to say access to all the miner with the provide um, wallet address, so they can see how much the mine, how much token they got from the pool. Okay, so we're gonna doing this today, but before that, I'm gonna show like how you join the pool, change the join the pool, change the miner, or doing all the things, and also talk about a little bit what is current process of HOP protocol and what are we going to do next. Okay, so let me see. Is everyone hear me good? Like uh, how many people want?
Yes, yes. You're audible.
Okay, we have 10 people here. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about what's the protocol process, what we are doing now. Okay, so um, we are developing another, another, another test net that working in the world, and that test net majorly will do for mainland China, because right now we are doing we have pirates everything in the entire world, but we notice a lot of things is not doing well in mainland because um there the business is big, so we're going to send a separate testnet there and let them test. That will start in the middle of the August, which is a couple days later. I think 1 week later we're gonna start doing that, and um, by the November, we are going to, or end of November this year, we're going to introduce our storage testnet in the kind of basic, how you store it, how you store the file, store things in different miners. That's our plan in this year. Then by the end of December, we're gonna launch our mainnet testnet. Okay, we're gonna separate from our ERC20 and go to our HOP mainnet. Okay, and by doing this, we're gonna launch our testnet in the mainnet first. Then next year, we migrate all our things into our mainnet. Okay, that's the entire thing. And for the HOP protocol, I think someone's microphone is still on. So let me change your mute Vina as the microphone. So I mute you. Um, uh, and right now, during the test, we're gonna give the token for people joining our test. We're gonna give away 100,000 token, and the token right now we are doing the private sale, and it'll be worth like 3 USDT, around 3 USDT per each token. So we are going to give away 100,000 from August to end of December. Okay, if you mining more token during the test net, you get more token to exchange. Okay. Okay. Right now we come back to our training today. So today training kind of a little bit simple because I see a lot of people don't do is like you don't have the website setting up for your for your pool, actually for your miner, actually, sorry. So through that website and the miner, you can see how much token you got. You don't have to log in to your website, to your miner anymore. Just use the website and with your wallet. Okay, so let's start doing this. So let's see. Let me close all my things. Okay. Thing here. So I have two open. The bottom one, let me make the font size larger. Copy. Gosh, the big enough. Yes. And I change this one to 24 as well. Okay. So we're going to do today is rejoin the miner, set up miner, okay, from the United States. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we remote. If you guys have the Hop or Pirate application, there is a pool called the USLA, and that pool we have two miner. One is in United States, and one is in Spain. So we're gonna remote in the United States one, okay, and rejoin that miner into our pool. Cool. Let's do first thing. We're gonna remote into the miner. So if everyone can see on my command line here, so I'm gonna SSH into the miner from South United States. And the IP address with the port is 40,001. So because the IP address in the United States is family one, it's static IP in the family, and the router is did the port forward from 22 port to the 40,001. So when you do remote into the home server, you need put the port there. Okay, and do this and do the password. Hopefully password is correct. Okay, here we go. now we are into the HOP server in American. So right now we're gonna check the folder. Okay, we're gonna enter the HOP folder, and also we're gonna use PS command to check the server, how the server working. So we have the HOP running, and also if you can do, actually if you can do, you can go to our let's see, go to our doc.hopchain.org. You can download the Windows application, okay, Windows application, and install into your computer. Then you can use it all the time, okay. But right now I'm not doing that. I just want to testing our. Okay, hold on. Let me try this. Where's my pirate? Let me do this. I can save this one and download this file. Okay, download this file. I'm gonna extract here. Yes, to pirate. Sorry, I have so much file. Just bear with me. I need to find the folder. Well, anyway, let's do this. Let's do the working archive. Okay. WES. Okay, that's good. So we're gonna do is put this one on my desktop. And I'm going to run it. Okay. So since I don't have token, but I have token already, okay? So now I'm going to buy some things from the USLA because later we're gonna use it. Can we refresh this? Refresh the least kind of a hold. Give me a few moments. Found the I didn't see the pool USLA. Let me close it. To do it again. Maybe I can refresh because my port is blocked. Well, never mind. Okay, I think I cannot refresh right now for the pools and since I cannot show you how to connect to the internet, so I'm going to do only with the miners only here because somehow my pool is not refreshing. I'm gonna show you later. If everyone have the cell phone, install the Pirate application. So it's better for you guys use the cell phone. Buy some token, buy some internet from the USLA, and there are 3 miners there. First one not working, but we also have Spain and US East 1. So the one we're going to use is US East 1. Right now it's working, and I just pin there. It's working now. So what we're going to do is bring down the miner first. Okay. So we see here the miner is working. We're going to queue this miner. So queue the miner with the thread number 16847. Okay, right now the miner is gone. If you have application, open it and test the US East 1, the miner, through your phone application. So it should be -1 now. So the miner should be offline. Okay. So basically is we're going to check the address of this miner. Okay, show address. Okay, this is the address of your miner. And you can also change your miner's name. Right now, this miner code US East 1. Okay, so maybe why not we just change it to let's say that East 1, change just to East 1. Okay, so we're gonna do is the HOP. If you don't remember your command, just -H anytime to check your command. Okay, so we know we're gonna do BAS. BAS is a network of HOP. So whenever you do register your miner or pool, it always goes to BAS first. And that's the entire HOP protocol know your miner or your pool is offline. Okay, so BAS done H. So we can do is another easy way to do is you go to the document site. Okay, see how to join your run the command join the miner into the pool. So we are here. The first thing you do is BAS. So this is BAS. Okay. So right now we just need to change the name. So we just change the name. And before the name is US East 1. So why not we change it to US East. It's which is CDA. It's Hartford. Okay. I don't know. It's longer enough. Okay. Because sometimes the miner you can only take a certain length of the name. So I'm sure. Let me see if it's working or not. US Hartford. Okay. Why not this? Yes. Hartford. Okay. And the IP address for this miner is, let's see. Let me find the IP address from the miner first. If you are home, so you have to, if you are home, you can get it from your router. If you use the cloud server, you can log in your cloud server, get your IP address. Okay. Let me find that here. So this IP address is start with 75. So okay, so 75.135.96.248. Okay, we just right now to change its name. Let's see it. So HOP BAS -L the name, and that -M the IP address, and the P -P the password. Let's see if we can change the name. Okay, so not more than 8 bytes. Let me give a short name, CT1, which is stand for Connecticut. Okay. Okay, it's all set. It's BAS. And if you want to know what's the result of the BAS, just I remember there's a show command. You can see your BAS information. So okay, it's fine. So right now, what I'm going to do is launch this miner. I don't know how's everyone's knowledge about the setup miner. I'm assuming people know how to do it already. Okay. Right. This is a kind of a median-ish class. So I suppose. Hello. Hey Miguel, can you tell me the everyone's knowledge in this class? Because I'm assuming people know how to set up a pool in the miner already. Hey Miguel, are you there? Let me.
Guys, this is the time to take your doubts.
Okay. So Miguel, that's right. No, this class people already know set up miner in the pool. That's right.
Some of them already attended previous trainings, but yeah, some of them are still fresh in the and they don't know yet how to set up their pool.
Okay, miner. Okay. So, oh, that's a little bit divided class. Okay. But anyway, let's do this. So I'm not gonna repeat. Some people already know. So if you are fresh, you just this can see the second part of your training. Okay. If you no idea what I'm doing, I try to say, I try to speak more clearly what's the meaning, what I'm doing. Okay. So for people who don't know how to do the miner and the pool, so I'm set up a miner already right now. Right now, I'm going to make the miner join into the pool. Okay. Um, as you know, we have this miner change the name, which is USCT1. Okay. And right now, we're going to start the miner and refreshing the pool to see the name has been changed or not. Okay. Um, so we're going to restart the miner. Let me see. You know what? Why not we kick out the miner from the pool first, then re-enjoying the miner, so um, everyone know how to do this. Join the miner in the pool. Okay, that's probably better. Okay, so we install the pool into our pool folder. Is that pool folder? Yes, pool folder already. Pool folder already. So you see that's a pool execution file. Okay, and we're gonna do is check the pool status, make sure it's running. So you use ps command and check the pool. So pool is running here. Right now, we're going to do is unregister the miner we just did and rejoin again. Okay, so we're going to eth -h. So right now we're going to use the eth command. You see here, it's register the how to say that join the miner. That's one command. The join the make a miner join the pool, or you can do unjoin it. So right now we're going to unjoin this miner, the previous miner, okay, which is the US one. So we're gonna do eth and unjoin. Okay, if you don't know the command, what's the option is, You dash H, help yourself. Okay. 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 So, but I don't know why I'm muted, but never mind. I'm going to enjoy it. So dash D because it's testnet. So you always have to do dash D as debugging as testnet. Okay. And you need the string sub address from the miner. So every miner, when you set up, there is sub address which start with HO, which is um, when you do it's easier to HOP show address. I can do it again. Okay, it will give you three address. The middle one is your sub address, so you just copy it and then go back to your pool and paste the sub address there. Okay, that means let the pool know you're going to remove the miner and give a password. I guess password is 123. Let's try. Looks like successful. If you guys go to the so another way you can see how much miner into in your pool, you can use show all the miner. Okay, find all the miner. I remember this one. Okay, show all miner. Miner. Let's show all miner. So we have two miner here. Okay, one is miner lock, one is Spain. That means it's unregistered already. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, if you refresh your Jack or your Pirate application through your phone, you're supposed to see there's only two miner left. So right now we're gonna re-enjoy the miner again. Okay, from the pool you go to pool ETH. If I don't recommend, so ETH join, and do dash h to check the options. So the first one is debug dash d. Second one is the sub address. Sub address, as we said before, you can come back to the miner and copy the second address, which starts with HO, and paste into your pool under the dash s option. Let the pool know you're going to join this miner into the pool. Okay, and then the third option is the password dash p, which is 123. Okay, and the dash t is how much token you're doing that. Right now, you don't have to worry about. It's all the same. Okay, 123. Let's see. Let's join it. So it depends how good the network is. You know, if the test network, the transaction blocked, so it may take a minute, but usually 10, 20 seconds, to join the miner will be succeed. Let's wait a little bit. So right now is okay. Here we go. It's approved. So that means your miner, which we set up in South United States, it's already joined into our pool. How to check it? So the two way. First way you do show all your miner. So pool show all miner. You
Hey guys, we're just disconnected. We're going to have to wait a bit.
Sorry, I think I lost my connection. Um,
Welcome back, Wei.
yeah, I don't know where am I now? But I was trying to use the Windows application of the Pirate, but it's not succeed. So I don't know what's going on. So
I already
free.
going to present our benefits.
Okay. So, but if you have your cell phone application, please open it. If you buy some token from the USLA pool, and you come back, you will see your new miner upline already, which is US underscore CT1, and you can test speed because we are not running the server yet. So you will have a -1. So it's not working. So we are going to come back to our miner, which is here. Okay, the miner here. So let me make a smaller windows. The
Well,
miner
you're
here.
sharing your screen, Wei.
Oh, sorry. Um, okay. So since we are already joining the new miner, but the miner is not running yet. Let me make sure. Use ps command, grab HOP. Okay, the miner not working, not running yet. So if you check the pin of the miner in your Jack or Pirate application, Jack is in your iPhone. I think Pirate is in your Android phone. If your Android phone you have a Pirate, please do buy the token for US underscore ILA pool and check the miner. Okay, for my application, I already have it. So let me, okay, show you this one. I might my phone was this. No, I can't. Okay, so right now we're going to run in the miner, which we change the name. That's fine. Okay, here. Okay, so we're gonna run in the miner, and if you test the speed again, it will show up. Miguel, can you confirm if you have the USCT1 miner running in your application? Hey, Miguel. I mean, hey, Miguel, if you're there, I'd like you to confirm the miner is running.
Hey, my connection is a bit poor, so I don't know if you can listen to me properly.
I can listen to you. Yes.
Okay.
Do you have the Parrot application running in your cell phone?
No, I don't.
Okay. Never mind. Okay. Do you have your MetaMask installed in your browser? Are you use your cell phone or your computer?
Not yet. I'm working on that way. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay. So
I'm gonna say thank you to that.
okay. So since we joined the miner into our project, so you want to know how much token you mine. That's right. So in your miner, it's kind of easy. It's just the $/HOP, and let me check the commands here. You kind of want to show. Give me 1 second. I don't think you can see the miner. Okay. But you can see from your website. So since this miner, we set up IP address already. Okay. Which is 75, and anyways 248. And I use the port 24887 for this miner especially. Okay, actually everyone default port is 24887 for any miner. If you don't change it, always 24887. So if you log into this web address, your miner address, you will see the information. Okay, but you have to install like a MetaMask or something wallet address and assign your wallet address into this your website. So since I connect my wallet address already, so I have where I can see all the information. Let me enlarge my screen. Okay. So here you can see the port address, HOP address, and how much traffic you got. So this miner we already mined 3.13 gigabytes. I think it's gigabytes already. So we earned 3.13 tokens. So in this market value, it's each token mined equal to €3. You mined almost 10 euro. I mean, not euro. Sorry, USDT. Dollar. Let's say dollar. You already mined almost $10 already. If you have more customer, more people, you can mine more. Okay. If you have a 30 gigabytes mining a month, you are making $100 a month. Okay. If you have more people, like 100 user use it, and your miner kind of like make the money, constantly, even while you sleep. So that's a good thing of this application. Whoever connect to your miner, you're just making your dollar all the time. Okay. So you can, and also you go to the user section, you can find how much user buy or spend into your spend the token. Okay. And you can find all the token, how much money or something. And how to do that. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, since we have the miner running, so that's a command called HOP, web address, web access address. Okay, so you give -h, you can find all the commands. You can add your wallet address. For example, I changed my wallet address to different one. Let's find the different one. Let's use this one, log test one. So if I change this, so you see my wallet just changed to this log test, and I refresh this website. Okay, and I sign it. You will see nothing information here because this address is not authorized with this miner yet. Miner will not give you any information. Okay. So how to add your address into your miner website? So you just copy the address. Okay, copy it. I'm copy ready. Right now, come back to your miner, and you just do HOP web access address and add. There should have something option. Okay, add -a and put the address which end with 277D. Let's see. Let's add the address. Okay, it says address add access address successfully. So right now you come back to this website and refresh it. You use the log test address to sign into the website. Right now, boom, you have all the information. Okay, so right now you can see how much miner, how much user buys through your miners. Here there's a lot of user right now using this. Okay, so you can making money through your miner all the time. And also you can see the zone of your miner and the IP address. This is sorry, this is BAS address. It's not your miner address. Another thing is how can you see all the pool information? So I believe the pool has a command. You can do is give your pool website web address to any token, any miners. Okay, so if we do add address and the help edge of, okay, for example, this pool is USLA. For example, I have a miner. I'm the miner right now. Okay, I want to see how the pool doing. So the pool owner can ask the wallet address from user, from the miner, like, hey miner, do you want to see how much token you earn? So the miner can give one of a wallet address. You can create one from your MetaMask and give to the pool owner. Ask him, ask him to, add your wallet address So you can see the pool information, how much token you made. So we just add this one. Okay. So right now, we find the address. I want to change to account 1. Okay. Account 1. So right now, oops, sorry, redo it. So right now, I want to show you the pool, what looks like right now. Okay, if we go to the pool, this is our pool, all the information, the IP address. So I want to check the pool information. So I paste and check the 42888, which is the port for the pool. So right now, if you use my account 1 wallet address to sign into the pool, sorry, sorry, I have to change my thing here. Account 1. Next. Okay, so let me refresh. Okay, account 1, we sign in. You will not see anything. You don't see the miner, don't see the pool, don't see the user information because we didn't authorize my address, okay, in the pool. So even you log in the pool website, you cannot see any information. But if one of your miner want to see all the information, you just ask the miner or miner give you any wallet address and then you copy it or you ask him send to you and you go to your pool and use the web access address add command to give authorize to this wallet address, which I'm doing right now. Okay, this is success. Okay, let's see the magic here. You refresh your pool website and the MetaMask, which asks you to sign. I'm doing signing. And boom, you have all the information for the pool. And then let me enlarge the the, uh, the font size. You have all the information, how much token your HOP balance has, okay, and how much you already earning. Let's see, and the owner, the email owner of this pool, and the pool address. Hold on. Okay, and see how much miner in the pool. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4, yeah. Oh no, 3. The miner information, and how much user. Okay, how much user of the pool? You have let's search how much user information here. You have you have 41. So this pool has 41 users. Okay, so if each guy spends 1 token a month, which is unlikely. Usually you spend average 3 tokens. So 40 user, averagely you spend 3 token a month. This is 120 token a month. So right now is 1 token kind of equal to $3. So this pool actually make like a 360 US dollar a month, which is a lot of money. And if you want to do this, you can join the pool into anyone that making a lot of customers. Okay, and there's another. Okay, that's all the information you can get from the pool. Check all the pool information, how much miner, and each miner, what's the information with them. Okay. Okay. I know today is a little bit advanced class because I just want to show you how you can use the online or the website to monitor your miner in the pools by provide your MetaMask wallet address. Okay, so who and to whoever using the HOP or who use Ethereum ERC20, you should install MetaMask or something similar wallet address. Okay, there should be, hold on, there should be so much wallet address you can do. But I still recommend use MetaMask because it's available to every platform. You can install this one into your Firefox, your Chrome, and you can use it to do a lot of different things. You can use it for Uni swap, or you can use to what's not swap? Sushi swap, I think. Okay, and also later you can use it to buy different tokens. Okay, I really highly recommend to have the MetaMask. Um, maybe today, I think today is already 52 minutes. And if any other question about this, what I'm talking this today, please raise your hand. I will try to answer your question as much as I can. But the formal introduction of how to use website and how to change your miner's name and then rejoin the miner into a pool is finished. Let me know if you have any question, please. Okay.
I just want to say thank you, Wei. Thank you for the training.
No problem, guys. I think later we should do more about the system because some people may have a different level. If we say like a ancient level, we should we can do from the beginning how to create a pool, then join the miner. Okay. But the next one, if we continue again, we will do how to climb the token. How to, because you're mining it a lot of token, how to climb it and use it to exchange real token of HOP. Okay, if you're mining it, you didn't climb it, you didn't exchange to real HOP token, your mined token will be worth nothing. Okay, if you exchange it, you later you can sell in the exchange platform, or you can exchange and give to other people, because we are going to private sale. We're going to end in a private sale very soon, and they're going to public offering later. So you can sell your token or make some money from that. Okay. I think today the season will be here. And if other question, please let Miguel know, or or leave some question in the Telegram or other place. Okay, someone raise a hand. Who that?
There is a
Leonardo?
question in the chat. In the chat.
Okay, so we hash. Okay, are we using CPU for the mining? We are not using CPU for the mining. We use your internet bandwidth for mining. Okay, so unlike the Bitcoin or Ethereum, which use CPU or GPU to mining, which is use a lot of electricity to mining, but we are different. Okay, if you have internet connect to your home, or if you have a cloud server you buy from cloud Google or Amazon or something, you can set up your server and set up your miner. So as long as people connect VPN through your miner, you're making money. Okay, so as I just showed you, this pool, this USLA pool, if you can still see my share screen, it set up a month ago, not long ago. So you're already mining a lot already. Okay, let me see how much to mine. I think each miner can see 30, 30, 50. Let me see how much it's mined. You know what? I can go into the here to see. Sorry, bear with me 1 second. H. Balance. Balance. Rejection. Rejection. Pulse balance. Let's see. Hope balance, ETH balance, contract approval. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. What am I doing here? I think I should show. Okay, here we go. Show all miner, all income, show income. Okay. Way traffic, miner address. So 1 month with this tool, we made Anjo, we made 15 tokens. See here, we have 15 tokens. So which is equal to $3 each. We have made $45, which we only have 2 pools useful. We made $45. Okay, if you let people more to use it, you may make $400 a month. Okay, that's different thing. We just use our bandwidth to make money. It's sorry how to pronounce your name. We shash or we hash. You know, do you understand? Do you clear right now how we make money? We just use our bandwidth, our internet. As long as people use the VPN, goes to your miner, you make the money. Okay. Before I go, what else? If you have a question, you can speak now. So Leonardo says, I'm a bit late in the process. I'm trying to create a pool. I have error in configuration, but I start the BAS and after I use tailf, the error was no hub ignore input. Configuration BAS as the bus. I cannot diagnose what's happening right now because I have a little information. You say you can you register your BAS into the network? Can you see like I have a pool right now? Okay, like you can do what this you can do like a pool BAS. Uh, sorry. I think it's show received subpool messages. Let me see messages. I remember there's a way you can check your BAS information. Let me think about it. Leonardo, I cannot diagnose your information right now because I don't know what's the error issue, and I cannot remote into your server. If you provide me your login information, I can have someone to log in and check your pool. Okay, how about that? Can you send your login information to the email address, which is cs@hopchain.org. Okay, if you send your login information, we will have it diagnosis and see what's happening. because I cannot ask you to, and I cannot see a screen. Okay, so if we can send someone remote in and help you and diagnose what's going on, would be nice. Another thing to do is you wipe out your server entirely. Okay, let's reset this server and follow your document, our HOP document. Okay, like I show you right now, just follow that. Okay. Um, all right. I think today will be it, and thank you everyone. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you
We're
guys
going
for
to.
your training.
Yep. Thank you. Bye bye. Sign off. Leave me.